Here we are, day 2 at the Club Wyndham. We're having breakfast and mimosas, and Keith is making his famous smashed potatoes. Have everything, and it's a 2-bedroom with 2 baths, and it has a whirlpool tub. Then there's a second bathroom. This is a fabric curtain, so I like it better than maybe if they had a plastic curtain, I wouldn't have liked it. They had extra tissue and everything. I do like that about Club Wyndham. They don't have any housekeeping, but they are not stingy with things, so if you need something. There's the laundry, which I used last night. So I ran a load. These come with it. And then I like if they have extra pillows and your housekeeping things. These are just cubes. They have places everywhere to charge your phone, and they have one on that one. A little charging station that we set up over there. Full-size refrigerator. We really kind of moved in. After swimming, we like hanging out by the fireplace, and we were watching movies. They have it's not a smart TV, but they have a way for you to hook up your devices with an HDMI cable if you were gaming or something. And then DVDs, they have a list of them in the packet that they give you when you first check in. This is the control for the fireplace. It's on a timer, and it's pumping off the little heat. I can feel it. It feels good. The hot tub. It's definitely, if it looks like it's a 2-seater, it's not. And then there's that light with the fan. This is similar to the other bath. This is a step-in shower. Super nice, high-quality door. The shower head, I mean, of course, I would love to have a cooler shower head, but to me, it's not dated. One of those soft close lids. I love that. The art, I mean, it's different. I don't know what kind of bed it is, but really, really comfortable. The pillows are a little hard, but they're still comfortable. Underneath here, there's an outlet. One plug-in here with a main light. A reading light, which is super nice, right? But when you're laying in there and you want to turn off the light, you can't reach it. So, I mean, you have to get up physically and stand up and turn the light on. So that's weird. Extra area. 2 TVs, so there was one in the living room. That one didn't have a good signal, so we have to actually call down to the front desk, so it started working eventually. But there is a method to that, so just call the front desk. 2 side tables with that identical plug-in down there, so that is convenient. It's a little hard to reach because it's down below, but plenty of outlets. And then our view, screened windows, which is nice. Again, it's November 3rd through the 6th. And this is in Wisconsin, so it's kind of south central, and trees are still beautiful here. So not a lot of privacy from the neighbors. A lot of people out on the balconies, even this time of year. And then we're overlooking the mini golf, the water park over there, the outdoor water park, which of course is closed. And over there's the conference center, what's connected with a skyway. A little worn, but everything works. Good security. Well, they have controls for the fan on the wall. First thing you have to do is turn it on, and then you press the button. There is a thermostat. It's 71 in here. It goes to 60. Yeah, we love it here. We're having a great time.